Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to a new session of Free Business Effective Courses from the teachings of multi-millionaires. Starting with Session 8. Session 8 first point is Irrational Self-Confidence Without Being a Bullshitter. People like confidence. If I am going to spend my money with you, I want you to be extremely confident with what you are doing with my money. You need to be super confident at all times. Moving on to the next point of session 8, which is we cannot make money. We can only take money from other people. Money exists and we have to take it. Money is like water, and water is always moving. And if you stay in the right place at the right time, you are going to get wet. 99% of people are middlemen. You have to convince other people to take money. And going to the next point of session 8 is do not make anyone irreplaceable. You can lose your company by losing your top employees. You should make sure that if anyone leaves, you can replace them. And the next point of session 8 is tell people that they cannot have things. If you tell people that they cannot have things, they will want things. This is the reality of the world. Tell them to confirm what they need and then tell them that they cannot have it. And going to the next point of session 8 is you already know what to do, but you are lazy. You are sitting on ideas, but you are lazy, even though you know how to do it. You have to get going. Too much waiting, too much talking, not much action. Move quick to become rich. And that, my folks, is the end of session 8 of the free effective business courses. See you folks in the next session. Thank you and goodbye.